Good morning, this is Wesley, DIY Solar and Wind. I'm on Facebook and YouTube. Just want to let you know we have a major issue with sunlight, and solar pool heater is running already. Just get the pool cleaned up here pretty good. But I have a tree that needs to be removed so you have full impact, and that tree's on two different property lines. We will work with that in a bit, but I'm making a hell of a lot of electricity every single day, and I can only imagine the pool heater would be having a lot of sun on it already without that one tree. I'm going to have a lot of electricity going on this year. I'm already down to 7 kilowatts a day. This is fantastic. It will have a lot of videos for you in the near, let's just say, the next month. All right, signing out.